See how a raw sketch transforms into a seamless, high-resolution print using Myth AI. Use Myth's image and text to design tool to upload a raw sketch as the input image. Apply prompts to fill in colors or edit your design. Convert the sketch into a seamless pattern with the help of repeat options. Adjust presets such as negative prompt, sharpness, and slider controls to refine the output. Save the preferred design to the collection. Open the selected design in the Edit workspace and upscale it up to 4 times resolution. Use Edit presets to convert dimensions, set the required size, and adjust canvas and tile width. Increase the DPI for production readiness and generate the certificate of ownership. Create a block repeat tile. Test the design on mockups. And export the final production-ready file.